On the 13th of May 1949, Dr. Verghese Kurian came on a visit to the Government Research Institute in Anand. The chairman of the Kheda Cooperative Society in Anand, Mr. Tribhuvan Das, offered Dr. Kurian the job of maintaining the chilling plant, which was having a breakdown almost every day.
वो तो मैं रोज देखता हूँ। आप उसे रिपेयर कर सकते हैं।
Dr. Kurian accepted the job but was soon frustrated as he realized that the chilling plant was worth only junk.
नहीं हो सकता है त्रिभुवन दास जी, बिल्कुल नहीं हो सकता है। ये फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर की मशीन है।
He suggested to Tribhuvan Das that they buy a new pasteurizer costing 70,000 rupees, a huge amount in those days.
ये कुछ 20-40 हजार, 70,000।
Mr. Dalaya was another prominent figure in Dr. Kurian's life. He worked with him at the dairy with equal commitment. Soon, another problem cropped up: surplus milk.
हाँ, त्रिभुवन दास जी, ये प्रोजेक्ट वही था, वो सरप्लस दूध का। तो ऐसा मेरी समझ में है कि सरप्लस दूध का पाउडर बनाने के अलावा और कोई दूसरा चारा नहीं है। लेकिन उसमें एक दिक्कत है। क्या दिक्कत है? तो उनमें दिक्कत यह है कि दुनिया में कहीं पर भी भैंस के दूध का पाउडर नहीं बनाया गया है।
Dalaya, with all his fortitude, overcame this impossibility, and thus this plant became the world's first to convert buffalo milk into milk powder. The Chinese aggression in 1962 posed another great challenge of supplying 2,600 tons of milk powder to the armed forces in 6 months. This mission too was accomplished. A curious Lal Bahadur Shastri met Dr. Kurian and asked him the secret of Anand.
हमारे देश की कोई भी और डेयरी ऐसी नहीं है जिसके मालिक खुद किसान हो। आनंद किसानों की डेयरी है। इसके मालिक यहाँ के किसान हैं। वो तय करते हैं कि यहाँ की क्या पॉलिसीज होगी। उन्हीं के इलेक्टेड रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स इस यूनियन को चलाते हैं।
Prime Minister Shastri expressed a keen desire to have many more Anands in India. Dr. Kurian was given a blank check for the purpose.
Thank you, sir.
But the red tape of bureaucracy created obstacles. Luckily, these were eventually cleared by the then Home Secretary, Mr. L.P. Singh, who specially met Dr. Kurian to know more about Anand.
करना क्या चाहते हैं? ऑपरेशन फ्लड। मैं ऑपरेशन फ्लड पर काम करना चाहता हूं। कि ऑपरेशन फ्लड है क्या? ये एक ऐसा नक्शा है सर, जिसके जरिए हम पूरे देश में दूध का सैलाब ला सकते हैं। Amul is a story of spirit. The spirit that the people of India can do it, and do it better than any other country in the world, and do it against all odds, and do it profitably.
The biggest asset of India is its people. We are an ancient civilization, 5,000 years ago old, and we have as a people considerable amount of wisdom. Wisdom we have acquired because of our old civilization. Wisdom handed over to us from father to son, from mother to daughter for hundreds of generations. Now this wisdom, when it manifests itself through our people, makes many things possible. The secret of India's success will lie in our mobilizing the strength of our people, creating structures that our people themselves command, having a democratic structure underpinning our democracy in Delhi and in, say, Gandhinagar, with democratic structures right down to the village level, giving meaning to democracy. Democracy will have no meaning if it is confined to Delhi. A plurality of democratic structures need to be created in order to give democracy meaning in India. If there are many ills to democracy manifesting itself today, the answer is not abolition of democracy. The answer is more democracy. And Anand pattern, Amul Dairy are examples of this principle, creating a democratic structure which our people themselves command, creating institutions of our people, depending upon our people for development rather than on the bureaucracy for development. This is the secret of Anand, and I hope this will be well understood.